After folding these squares into a closed cube, which red corner would touch the corner marked X? This question asks you to visualize a flattened shape in your mind and manipulate it into a cube all within 14 seconds. Some people find this naturally easy, but if you don't, the best strategy is to practice, both online and even cutting this shape with a piece of paper and trying to fold it into a cube. If you're in the exam and you can't see the answer, the best option is elimination. There are only 5 options, meaning guessing has a 20% success rate and every elimination increases your odds. Looking at the flattened cube, I like to start with the squares touching the square with the X. If the squares are touching, but the red corner isn't touching the X corner, we can eliminate it as they never will. In our case, we can see corner E is not touching the X, so we can eliminate it. The second step is to separate the cube into halves. If I cut the flattened cube down the middle vertically, we can see the X is on the right side. As the square with X is folding up vertically, it will stay on the same side, so we can eliminate any answer option with the red corner on the left. So let's also eliminate option A, leaving us with options B, C, and D. At this point, if you don't see the answer, it's best to guess. Either option B, C, or D. You have a 33% chance of being right, and you don't lose points for being wrong. But the answer is option B. As a rule of thumb, if we call the square attached on all 4 sides the unmovable cube's base, any square which isn't touching the base, in our case the one with the X, will be the cube's top. So we can flip it 180 degrees, and any square attached on one side to the cube's base will simply go up and become a side. Given this, we can see the X corner will stay on the right hand side, but will move from the bottom to the top, which removes options C and D, leaving B as our final answer option.